Hi everybody, hope you can see me. I am in town. I just delivered some mail to the post office to some VIPs who ordered or pre-ordered from me, and I wanted to get it out today right away because for Wassa it goes out. Mosinee it doesn't. I'm not sure why. They wait till Monday. But anyway, look what I got in my mailbox. I grabbed it quick and now I'm just kind of sitting and waiting for an errand to be run. But anyway, we're going to open this box, right? This is the December subscription box that I think you were able to order after the fact too. And then also I got the New Year's Eve little accent nails. This one is called Golden Year. And this, I believe, was only available on Black Friday. I have to look back. Sorry. It's been a flurry of a week. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for putting up with my delays and everything. I'm trying to keep up. I didn't even put makeup on today. I just ran out the door. There's just so much to do, right? It's that time of year. So, when you get here, say hello. I just want to see, as usual, comments, whatever. Can't see them, but that's okay. So, this is called Golden Year. This is our New Year's Eve accent nail set, and I did order a couple of them, but check that out. How cute is that? It is a cream black background with a just a cream gold stars and fireworks. How cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. So I was at my holiday party last night. I still had my nails on from my vendor event from last Saturday. So I took everything off and went to bed. So I'm going to do something today and then I'll post it too. But I just wanted to show you how cute these are. And I had somebody pre-order them, so I will contact you and get them out to you today. They just came to me today in the mail. So let's open this next, right? Okay, so if you're still waiting for your box and you don't want to see it, turn it off. This is going to be a spoiler for you. So I just love these subscription boxes. So fun. Okay. All right, let's take a peek here. And again, sorry. Just checking if there was any comments. Dang, don't see any. Okay, so in this box, I just love how they package it. They use the bigger confetti now, so it's not all over your floor in your house. Look, we got a gift, and it goes with the color theme here. Okay, so let's take a look at the gift that we get. It says Luxe hair clips. 1 set, 2 pieces. All right, ready? Look at this cute box. How cute to use it for a gift again with somebody. But here is what we have. These look like, let's see here. We'll take them out. Oh, well, they got them zip tied in here. You know how when you get a Barbie doll and she's like in there, like she's gonna go to the space and back. Let's see if, oh, okay. So they kind of pop open like this. Super cute. How pretty. Oh, this would have been perfect for me to wear last night at my holiday party. But we have more parties coming up, so that's cool. All right. And then, oh, she slipped right out. Perfect. Okay, so that is what the pearl one looks like. Hope you can see it. And let's see here. If I pop out the diamond one, there we go. Slides right out. This is what our diamond one looks like. Love that. Okay, let's take a peek at what we get for the sets. You usually get 3 or 4 sets, an alcohol wipe, a nail file, and a gift sometimes. You get a little brochure that tells you about the things that you're getting and ideas on how to put them on. All right, so I'm just laying that out here. Okay, let's start with the first one. I haven't seen too much, so I'm excited to see these. Hopefully the light is good for you guys. This one is called London Topaz. Check that out. Very pretty. So it's like a teal blue with some really pretty glitters in it. Let's see here. See if we can catch that glitter for you. Love that. And again, I'm trying to swipe to reveal. Oh, there, I see Lisa. Hello, Lisa. Awesome. Say hello when you get here. If anyone can check, I'm not sure if you can still order this box, but if you can, I'm getting another one. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, and they describe it as shine like London topaz with classic teal glitter. All right. Okay, the next color, there's 4 full-size sets here, you guys, for $30. It includes shipping. Okay. When you order it as subscription. This one is called Floral Tiara. I was worried about flowers for December, but they did a really good job. Definitely, wow, look at this. Even if you want to wear it in February or January, and don't look at my nails, sorry. Yuck, but oh, this is pretty. I am loving this. I'll put them all together here in just a minute. Okay, the next one is called Chocolate Opal. Check this out. Like a beautiful brownish red chocolate color with beautiful gold flecks in it. I'm loving that. Okay, so these are all going to be beautiful together. And then the last one in this box, here we go. 4 full-size sets, you guys. This is fun. Crown jewels. Look at that. That is going to match all kinds of things. Purples, greens, teals, gold. I'm going to guess this is kind of semi-sheer, kind of like Tokyo Lights. Look at that. So let's hold them all up together here in my car. Sorry, I'm trying to. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. These are all of them together. So I'm sure there's going to be some fun mixed manis out there with all these beautiful colors. Let me know if you got a box, and if, you know, yours arrived. Hopefully you were able to stop this if you wanted it to be a surprise. I hate it when I accidentally run into things. This is the brochure that you get with all the little ideas and explanation of everything. That is all right here. All right. So tell me what you're wearing today. I've got to put something on, something Christmassy. I got a lot of Christmas to catch up with. And that's about it. Have an awesome Saturday, you guys. I got to finish running my errands. Okay, bye now.